Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. So today we will do the activity to find the number of subsets of a given set and verify that if a set has n number of elements, then the total number of subsets is 2 raised to power n. Okay, let's start. So let us suppose that we have A naught be empty set. A naught is an empty set which is having no element, right? And we denote empty set by the letter phi. And we also know that every set is a subset of itself, right? Phi, empty set will be subset of itself. So, number of subsets of A naught, number of subsets of A naught will be 1, and we can denote 1 as 2 raised to power 0. I can write down, right? So let's move. Let us take another set A1 which is having one element A1. A1 is having one element. Note down, we denote the name of a set with a capital letter and elements with small letters. So A1 is the bigger one and it is having element A1, and empty set is always a subset of A1. Here you can see that this was A naught and A1 is completely containing A naught. So A naught is a subset of A1, or we can also say that A1 is a superset of A naught. So number of subsets of A1 are A1 and phi, because A1 was having element only A1. So subset of A1 is small a1 and phi. So number of subsets of A1 is 2, or we can say that it's 2 raised to power 1. Let's move on. Let us take another set. We have empty set and we are having the set A1. This is A naught and another bigger set than A1, which is A2, which is having element A2 in it. So here you can see that A1, A2 is the superset of A naught and A1 also. So every element of A naught is the element of A2, and every element of A1 is also element of A2, and the elements of A2 are in A2 also. So the number of elements in A2, A1, A2. So subsets of A2 are empty set. Empty set is a subset of every set, and the set itself is a subset of every set. Empty set A1, first element enclosed in the curly brackets, means it is a subset. Subset also A2, and set itself is also a subset, so A2 is also a subset of itself. So number of subsets of A2 is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I can write down A4 as A raised to power 2. So let's take another set which is A3, which is having all the elements of the previous sets. Empty set A1, A2 and A3, right? So A3 is the bigger one. Here you can see from the diagram that A0, A1, A2 are all contained in A3, right? Here A3 contains all the sets A1, A2 and A0. So every element of these subsets is also an element of A3. There are the number of elements of A3, 3 elements A1, A2, A3 respectively, right? So number of subsets of A3. Let's talk about the subsets of A3. Empty set is subset of every set. Now take every single element and enclose it in the curly brackets, so it will be a subset. Taking two elements at a time, A1, A2, A2, A3, A3, A1, right? and the set itself a1, a2, a3, 3 at a time, a3, which is equal to the set itself. So the total number of subsets of A3 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. I can write down 8 as 2 raised to power 3. So from this you can see that in the previous slides A naught, number of subsets of A naught was 2 raised to power 0. Number of subsets of A1, 2 raised to power 1, which is having one element. Number of subsets of A2, which was having two elements, was 2 raised to power 2, and here in A3, which is having three elements, the number of subsets is 2 raised to power 3. So from these three we conclude that as many as the number of elements are there, it will be 2 raised to the power, right? So what we observe here, that number of subsets of A naught is 2 raised to power 0, number of subsets of A1 2 raised to power 1, which is equal to 2, number of subsets of A2 2 raised to power 2, number of subsets of A3 2 raised to power 3. Now if I take A10, A10 means it is a set having number of elements is equal to 10. So here number of elements is 10, then number of subsets will be 2 raised to power this 10, the number of elements. So we conclude that if we continue in this way further, number of subsets of an here n represents number of elements, which is having n elements, is 2 raised to power n, which was the result we have to prove, that if a set having n elements, then number of its subsets will be 2 raised to power n. This is number of subsets of an, right? So this was the activity which was of class 11. Hope you guys understand.